Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Awoy Mix Videos. Happy New Year po sa inyo. Pero mukhang itong New Year natin ay punong-puno ng mga pagbabanta, no? Lalo na sa balitang ito mula kay Times News, no? Pagbabanta ng China dito sa Taiwan. So, panoorin po natin itong video ito at bigyan po natin ng reaksyon. At mukhang medyo talagang mainit na yung nangyayari dito at yung sinasabi nilang yung military exercise na live fire. Alam naman natin, pag live fire yan, may mga bala yan. Pinalibutan na po ang buong itong Taiwan, ano? So, para mas maintindihan natin maigi, panoorin natin itong video na ito.
On December 31st, the People's Liberation Army of China announced that it had successfully completed a two-day series of military drills in the waters surrounding Taiwan, marking the end of a vigorous display of power intended to reinforce its claims of sovereignty over the island. These operations heightened tensions throughout East Asia as 2025 drew to a close. In a statement released on New Year's Eve, the PLA declared that the operation referred to as Justice Mission 2025 had fully tested the integrated joint operations capabilities of its troops. Following China's live-fire military exercises, Taiwan's President Lai Ching-te has pledged to protect the sovereignty of the self-governing island against what he describes as Beijing's expansionist ambitions.
So, yun po, no? December po, no? 31, nagsimula yung kanilang military exercise at pinaikutan po itong Taiwan. Live fire po yun. So, kung magtutuloy-tuloy yun, parang unti-unti na nilang nililingkis, kumbaga sa ahas, itong kanilang target, no? Sa susunod niyan, yung military exercise nila ay pwedeng magtuloy sa invasion na po, no? Halos ito tingin ko ay mamayat mayain nila itong military exercise na to sa paligid, paikot po doon sa island ng Taiwan. So, ayaw ng mga taga-Taiwan ngayon na bumalik na sa pamumuno ng China. At ngayon, kinukuha na ulit sila ng China. Pero may kasunduan dyan dati na pababayaan na lang ng China yan at para sa kapayapaan po. Pero ngayon, yun nga, mukhang may banta itong China na talagang seseryosohin na nila. No? At ang nakakatakot dito, nakakabahala dito, yung military exercise nila. No? Full load na po yan eh. May mga bala na yan. Isang utos lang po, one click kumbaga, lulusob na po yan. Yun ang wag naman sanang mangyari itong taon na ito, no? At sigurado ang Pilipinas po madadamay dyan.
Ambitions is all you need to know. For an extended period, Taiwan has remained the most delicate topic for China in relation to global affairs. The Chinese government has consistently claimed that the island is part of its sovereign land and has vowed to reclaim it through military means if required. The self-governing island split from the mainland in 1949 after Chiang Kai-shek's nationalists retreated there upon losing a civil war with Mao Zedong's communists. That communist government has ruled the rest of China ever since. On almost a daily basis, Beijing dispatches warplanes and naval ships toward the island. And in recent years, the intensity and extent of these military drills have significantly increased. The military exercises conducted at the close of December were viewed by many as provocative.
Naging payapa naman sa loob ng mahabang panahon, ano? Alam naman natin, nasaksihan natin yan na wala tayong gera dito sa Southeast Asia na malalaki, ano. So meron mga nagre-resist na rebelde, ganun lang po. Pero sa bansa nagkaroon na po tayo ng gera ngayon dahil dun sa Cambodia, yung nag-aaway diyan sa kapitbahay natin, ano. Yung sa Thailand. Ngayon, eto na, China naman, no? Sa West Philippine Sea. At ito, China sa Taiwan. Talagang may main purpose kasi po yung pagkuha niya dun sa island na yon. Kasi yun yung first chains of defense ng Amerika dito sa Pacific eh. Kung mababasag niya yon, mahahati niya, makukuha niya etong Taiwan, wala na yung first chain of defense. Mapuputol po yun. No? Ang first chains of defense kasi ay mula sa South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Philippines. Yan, pababa po yan. Palawan, hanggang sa pakarating dito sa mga kaalyado ng Amerika dito sa Southeast Asia or Singapore or whatever. Vietnam.
With China admitting that their purpose was to convey a warning to external forces. Essentially, anyone who could interfere with its government's relationship with the island it holds dear. Strongly condemning China, Taiwanese President Lai Ching-te said, "In the face of China's rising expansionist ambitions, the international community is watching to see whether the Taiwanese people have the resolve to defend themselves. As president, my stance has always been clear: to firmly safeguard national sovereignty, strengthen national defense and the resilience of the whole society, and comprehensively construct an effective deterrence and democratic defense mechanism," he added. Lai made his remarks following the conclusion of China's live fire exercises near Taiwan, which showcased rocket launchers, military aircraft, and naval vessels. Beijing voiced its displeasure over a proposed U.S. arms package for Taiwan and the recent statements from Japan's new leadership suggesting that Tokyo might intervene if China were to launch an assault on Taiwan. This anticipated arms deal, exceeding $11 billion, represents the largest military sale from the U.S. to Taiwan to date. The package consists of missiles, drones, artillery systems, and military software. In Beijing, Lai's address sparked a furious reaction, prompting a spokesperson from the State Council's Taiwan.
So dito po, no, makikita natin na pinipilit ng China ma-resolve yung issue na walang gera, na pasukuin ito sa pamamagitan, ang Taiwan sa pamamagitan ng panggigipit, no? So ginigipit nila unti-unti itong Taiwan. So malaki rin kasing posibilidad na mapasuko nila ito ng walang gera, walang hirap, walang mamamatay. So iyan ang isa sa mga ina-ambisyon ng China na agad-agad makukuha nila. Pero ito, tinitingnan ng international community kasi itong Taiwan, alam nating maliit ito at tumitingin ito sa international community rin. Yung tulong, mahanap din siya. Kung sasalakayin sila ng China, mabibigyan sila ng aid, tulong para nasa gayon, yung kanilang bansa maprotektahan nila at hindi ito basta-basta makuha ng China. So, eto ngayong Taiwan, alam natin na kaalyado ng US to at may pinangako rin ang US sa Taiwan na ipagtatanggol niya ang Taiwan, no? Ang pagtatanggol ng US ang Taiwan. So, umaasa rin po ang Taiwan dyan. Siyempre, umaasa rin siya sa mga kapitbahay natin na tayo, yung Japan, tutulong ang Japan. Kasi mga kaalyado po ng US yan. Allied powers po yan. Kaya ano man ang mangyari dito, damay-damay po to. Damay-damay po talaga ito.
To date, the package consists of missiles, drones, artillery systems, and military software. In Beijing, Lai's address sparked a furious reaction, prompting a spokesperson from the State Council's Taiwan Affairs Office to label the president a saboteur of peace, a troublemaker, and a warmonger. The laws of the United States compel the nation to equip Taiwan with the resources necessary for its defense. In a televised New Year's address, Xi Jinping, the leader of China, declared that the annexation of Taiwan is unstoppable. Last year, Taiwan unveiled a substantial $40 billion budget dedicated to military acquisitions, which includes the development of an advanced air defense system known as the Taiwan Dome, designed for superior detection and interception capabilities. This funding will be distributed over an 8-year period, spanning from 2026 to 2033. This announcement follows Lai's commitment to increase the island's defense expenditure to 5% of its GDP, a move aligned with his strategic response to the looming threats of invasion from China. Facing China's serious military ambitions, Taiwan has no time to wait, Lai said.
So, ganito na lang po natatapos yung videos. At yun nga, naggumagastos ngayon ng 40 billion US dollar, no, ang Taiwan para sa kanilang self-defense, so, sa mga military. Ano. Tanong kung huli na ba ang lahat, kung kaya pa, no? Ilang taon din yung gugugulin nila, no? Hanggang from 2026 to 2031. Kung plano na pala ng China ngayon, so wala nang oras, no? Pero sa atin siguro sa Pilipinas may oras pa, no? Wag lang mangurap itong mga official at yung budget para sa depensa natin dapat mabili yun, dapat magmaterialize yun, dapat makita ng taong bayan niya, kasi tayo may oras pa. At malaki na rin yung development na ginawa ng administrasyon natin sa kasalukuyan para ma-develop yung ating depensa. Marami na rin tayong nabili at alam ko kulang na kulang pa yun, no? Kulang na kulang sa depensa, kaya naman sana magtulungan tayo mga Pilipino, no? Yung dapat para sa isang proyekto ibigay, no, ilaan doon. Wala na dapat yung mga insertion, yung mga komisyon na yan. May sweldo naman sila galing sa gobyerno. Dapat, kung para doon yung pera, gastusin para doon sa dapat. So, eto, dito sa Taiwan, siguro, wala sa kanilang korupsyon. No? Mabilis nilang na de-develop yung kanilang depensa. Nagtutulungan sila. Hope so, hanggang military drill na lang to yung ginagawa ng China at wag nang sumalakay pa. Kung sakali man na magkaroon ng pagsalakay, gampanan sana ng United States yung kanilang pangako na poprotektahan niya itong mga allied powers. So hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat po. Humingi po tayo ng tulong sa ating Panginoon sa mga kagabitan at syempre magpasalamat po tayo sa ating Panginoon sa tuwi-tuwi na. Ito po ang Aboy Mix Videos. Hanggang sa muli.